Hello guys! This video is dedicated to the latest, fastest and the least painful way of building an Android game that is bigger than 150 megabytes but smaller than 1 gigabyte. If your app is bigger, look for fast follow and on-demand packages from Play Asset Delivery. This guide will help you to start, but you'll need more setup that is not covered here. First, go to the link below and open the Asset Delivery Guide. Scroll down a bit and find Download the latest release of Play Asset Delivery Unity plugin. Download the package. Open your Unity project and import the package. Now go to Build tab for Android and make sure you have selected Android App Bundle because that's what Play Store accepts. Choose Public Debug Symbols. Go to Player Settings, Publishing Settings. Split Application Binary should not be ticked because it is made for OOB files, which is an older solution that requires you to write some ugly code and manually download the expansions. Also adding a link below in case you're interested. You should be able to build your app and have your key set up as well. Close this window because we will not use it for the build. Go to Google, Android App Bundle, Asset Delivery Settings and select Separate Base APK Asset. By ticking this, you specify that you want to create an additional install time package that is going to be downloaded along with the main APK. The most important thing, now we are not building from File Build. We use this Google menu and press Build Android App Bundle. Also, in my case, I had issues with signing the app, saying that the key was not found. The key was working for normal builds, not asset bundles. What helped me was to copy the key from the root to the project's folder and set the new path. When you build the game, you will see the 150 megabyte warning for your bundle because the bundle is bigger, but your base APK isn't. So, now that we have our app built, we can compare what file build and bundle build give us. You can see an additional folder named base assets, and here is app size. The main APK is smaller now than it was before and everything else is offloaded into base assets. Uploading to PlayMarket will not give you any app size warnings or block you from uploading the project now.
A great success!
If the video helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more Unity stuff, and see you soon!